Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by putting your headphones into pairing mode and preparing the PS4. First, plug in a USB Bluetooth adapter if your headphones aren't PS4 certified. The PS4 native support is limited. Once done, sign into your account and navigate to Settings, then Devices, then Bluetooth Devices. You do this now so the console can actively scan. Make sure nothing else is paired nearby that could interfere with discovery. You'll pair and route audio next. When your headset appears in Bluetooth devices, select it and confirm any PIN prompts. Many headsets use 0000 or 1234. Once paired, go to Settings Sound and Screen Audio Output Settings and choose your USB or Bluetooth device. Then set output to headphones to all audio so both game and chat come through. If voice chat is separate, adjust input device to a mic or the headset. Finish by testing sound in a game and a party chat so you confirm both game audio and voice work. If audio is missing, repair the headset, restart the PS4, or use a known working USB Bluetooth adapter. Sometimes firmware updates on the headset fix compatibility. Make sure the PS4 input device is set to the headset and adjust input volume. If problems persist, try a wired connection to isolate whether Bluetooth or the headset is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.